Hey, what's up, YouTube and Endless Sphere? This is just me checking the hall sensors back to front on the motor side as well as the controller side. Just showing you guys here. So pretty much the red on red and the black on black. We're getting the whole 4.1, 4.2 volts, and then I keep the black one against the black of the ground, I'm assuming. Then I touch that over here, and we're getting 4.8. And on the yellow, and the next is the green. Testing at 4.9 volts, and black to blue. .9 volts again. And pretty sure I already checked this earlier. Let's see if I can hold that down with one hand. Turn the throttle, nothing. And also if I start turning the tire, I don't get any voltage either. Nothing seems to change if I start turning the tire. No voltage comes out. Pretty sure they used to register a charge though. Yep, well there's that. Still got the clicking down. And if we do the other side here, put the ground back on the black wire, test it over the red, 4.2 volts, black to yellow, 4.8, black to green, 4.9, and black to blue, 4.9. So not quite sure if that's what you guys are asking me to do, but it's on the controller side, so it seems to be getting over there. And yeah, the only thing I can possibly think it was is when I was reattaching this cord, this little red wire right here. I was thinking about taking that off and redoing that again and seeing if that'll help. And otherwise, I guess I'll have to replace the hall sensors and figure out what those are and how to do that. Alright, I'll upload this video and see what you guys think.